Motors sent me over a care package. They liked what I did with that Azure motor video I did, and bam, look it. Holy moly. There it is. Azure wireless programming module. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. And there's the ECM motor for the H.V.A.C that you can set up. 4 to 25 watts. Like the little condenser fan motors, little watt motors. These are like the evaporator fan motor replacements. ECM 1/15 through 1/22 horsepower, dual voltage. Look at the RPM range. Ball bearing. And there's the programmer for the use of the this is the programmer for the ECM motors, like on the package units. And then if you look at these model numbers, that's the programmer for the other motors right there, for these motors. Far out. I'm stoked. If you guys are out there looking for replacement motors, you know, you got choices out there, but think Mars. Service call. New customers, that's always exciting. Someone new found me on the internet. I don't really have a website anymore. I canceled my website, but I do have the Google Business, free Google Business account, and they found me on Google Business. It's 4 o'clock. There's my green sensor for, let's see, it's 4 o'clock. I got my green sensor for that Trolson I was working on. We got to get that put in. Oh yeah, I'm on my way to go send this off right here. The DL429. That's going out to Florida, to Michael Echeverry. I'm going to the UPS store right now, and then I'm going to go to my service call. I got 2 service calls. My new customer I just got, they got a true, I think it's a drink merchandiser that's down, a T48. And then I got an ice maker at a Subway we're going to go look at. And let's get out there. All right, so here's our unit. It's an open air drink cooler. It's a true TAC 48. Let's focus in on that for you guys. 45 ounces of 404. And if you see this here, it has a reversible condenser fan motor. So it'll pull air in and it'll pull air out. And it reverses each cycle to try and keep the condenser cleaner. We'll take a look down there and see how that works out. And then, yeah, we got our honeycomb up here. And then, should have a light switch. The light works. And that makes our air curtain. It's our supply air, and our return air is down here. So it's gonna make an air curtain like this. What I'll do is I'll pull this bottom cover up. There's these 2 finger holes, one on each side, and then you can take a peek at your evap fan motors and your evaporator back there. It's dirty, but it's not iced up. So the coil's not iced up. Evap fans are running. Now we'll get into here where the condenser is. Dirty condenser, check. Our control is going to be over here, 68 degrees. Compressor is not running. Set point is 32 degrees. We're at 68. It's showing fans and refrigeration running. The condenser fans are running, but the compressor's not. So let's see if we lost a compressor, or we got a broken wire, or some bad start components. I have to take these off. Pull the condenser unit out, Josh. Pull the condenser unit out. Got some of the cut off the condenser, and I was able to get the covers off the compressor. And look what you see here. Dirty condenser, over amperage, burnt up wire. And it's pretty sure it's broken off the potential relay there. Let's see. Yep, there it is right there. That's why our compressor's not running. So let's see if we can repair that and get this thing working. Okay, took the box off the unit so I can get it up here to work on it. And so it's more than just the wire burned up from the run capacitor. The terminal also blew out. So I got to get this potential relay out of here and check the number on it, see if I got that one on the truck. This one's held in there with 2 screws on the side right here. And this will come out. Potential relay replaced. Look at this thing, torch. Loose connections, dirty condenser, lack of maintenance. We're coming down now. I didn't gauge up on it. There's so much heat on the coil I can feel. This thing needs a deep cleaning, but you can't do it when the grocery store is full of customers. And I'm gonna see what I can come up with to try and I got all that out of there already. I'm gonna try some of my spray foam cleaner and see what happens. If I can help it out a little bit. Just rubbing on that coil. I got it a lot cleaner. I ended up using spray ball with my coil cleaner. And it had already made it to set point to 32. See the time delay? It's gonna kick back on. There it goes. It goes down to 32 and then kicks back on. And what the heck, where did that kick back on there? So let's get ready. And we'll watch it cycle on one more cycle. There it goes, it kicked on. We're up and running again. Watch her come on down. And it'll shut off at 32. That made for a nice tool holder right there. One's done. Now I gotta go to another town out that way. I gotta head out that way to go check an ice maker. I'll bring you guys along. We'll do a Monday night ice maker. The Thanksgiving holiday is over. Let's get to work. I think it's like 6 p.m. That one took a while. Digging into that type of true case, it takes a while to dig into those things. The way they lay them out, it's a trip. Here, it's gonna tell me what the problem is. Delay 39 minutes, high pressure cutout active. So this one went off on high head. Turn that guy off. And we'll get to the back of this machine and see if that pre-filter's plugged. Condenser pre-filter. Machine off. You can see the contactor's not pulled in. You push it in. The compressor's running. Someone's hot wired this thing. Somehow something on here is not right. So I'm gonna have to kill the breaker and take a look at it. Someone's been tinkering with this thing. Working now. In the back here, they took the condenser fan to the hot, and the condenser fan was running all the time, not through the controls here. It was backfeeding, making the compressor run without the contactor. And I'm trying to figure out how that was doing it, but it was. I got it all separated now. So on these remotes, line comes in, you have your 2 hots, and then you have the wire that comes off your connector here. What pin number is it? It'll give me a pin number so I can get all fancy for you guys. Right here, 51. 51 goes to that Molex connector right there. It comes off here, that goes to 1/2 of your condenser fan. They had it all wired hot, all 3 of the hots together. So let's see if I can get this thing working here. Then I'm gonna have to go outside and find that fan and confirm it's working. We can do that too.